Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a Windows bootable USB flash drive using the official method. Here's what you will need: a Windows PC with an active internet connection, a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage. First, open up your browser and search here for Windows 11 ISO. Create Windows installation media. Now click on the download now button and save this file on your computer. Now let's navigate the file. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. Now right click on your mouse and run this file as an administrator. Now you will be presented with the license term and click accept to move on, and you will see two options. Just use the recommended option for this PC. Now click on next. Choose which media to use. So I'm selecting the first option and click on next, and now it's showing selected USB flash drive. So insert the USB drive or pen drive on your computer and refresh the drive list. And as you can see, removable drive. Now click on next. The media creation tool will now download Windows 11 and write the installation file on your USB drive. So after a long waiting period, you can see your USB flash drive is ready. And now if we head back to the this PC option and replug our USB flash drive, you can see the Windows bootable flash drive is ready to install. So thank you for watching this video.